Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. English Man. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Aw, thank you, Max. Hey everyone, it's so good to have you back.
Let me ask you something. You ever try to talk about your day in English, and halfway through your brain just quits?
Yes, you know all the words in your own language, but when you want to say them in English, boom, your mind goes blank.
Exactly. You're like, uh, I wake up, I eat, I sleep?
And your friend's just waiting, smiling politely. Pause. So today, we'll fix that.
That's right. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your whole day, naturally, confidently, and maybe even make people laugh a little.
All right, let's start at the beginning. Morning. How's your morning, Max?
Honestly, I'm not a morning person. My alarm rings and I negotiate with it like it's a business meeting.
Oh, same. But that's a great place to learn some phrases. You can say, I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. Simple, right?
Right. But let's make it sound more natural. Instead of I wake up at 7, try I usually wake up around 7. See? Adding usually makes it sound more real.
Exactly. Because no one wakes up at the exact same time every day.
Yeah. And you can add a little emotion too, like, I finally get out of bed. That means it's not easy and it's funny too.
Try saying it, everyone. I finally get out of bed. Good.
And after that, I take a shower or I have a shower. Both are correct.
Don't forget I make breakfast. But here's something fun. In British English, people sometimes say, I have breakfast.
Right? So you can say, I have breakfast or I eat breakfast. Both sound natural.
By the way, Max, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Coffee. Just coffee.
That's not breakfast, that's survival juice.
Okay. Sometimes toast. How about you?
I usually have eggs and fruit. But sometimes, if I'm late, I just grab a banana and run.
So you can say, I grab something quick for breakfast. That's a great way to sound natural.
Exactly. And after breakfast, maybe you say, I get ready for work. Or I get ready for school. But careful. Not I prepare myself for work. It sounds too formal.
Yes. Get ready is simple and perfect.
Okay, let's test them quickly. If I say, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I make breakfast, what comes next?
I get ready for work.
Exactly. You got it.
Now, let's talk about leaving home. I always say, I leave the house around 8.
That's good. But a lot of learners say, I go to office. Don't forget the it's. I go to the office.
Yes, I go to the office or I go to work. And if you're a student, I go to school.
Here's something fun. What's your transport story, Max?
Oh, I usually take the bus. But one day I missed my bus because I stopped for coffee.
That's the most Max thing ever.
I know. And I ran after it with my cup like, wait, wait. Everyone was staring at me.
That's such a good micro story. and it gives us new phrases. I missed my bus. I ran to catch it. I was late for work.
Exactly. You can tell a mini story in 3 lines. Try it yourself, listeners. I missed my bus. Good. Now, I ran to catch it. Perfect.
And here's a tip. If you walk to work, say, I walk to work, not I go by walk. That's a common mistake.
Yes. You can say, I walk, or I go by bus, or I take the train. Small words, big difference.
Okay, we made it to work. Or school.
Now, the magic phrase, I start work at 9. Not, I start my work, just, I start work.
Yes. And I finish work at 5. You can also say, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
And sometimes we can add emotion words. I finally finish work at 5.
That sounds like you, Max.
It's true.
Now, here's something to make your English sound instantly more natural. Are you ready?
Oh, this sounds mysterious. What's the secret word, Lily?
It's around.
Wait, that's it?
Yes, but it's powerful. Listen, instead of I finish work at 5, say I finish work around 5. That sounds relaxed, natural, like a native speaker.
Ooh, nice. Around gives flexibility. I eat lunch around 1. I leave work around 6.
Exactly. So now you sound more fluent without learning difficult grammar.
Hey, quick question. Do you ever feel your brain just stops working in the afternoon?
Every single day. I call it sleepy o'clock.
Yeah, that time when your eyes want a nap but your boss wants a report.
Exactly. So here's your next challenge, listeners. Stay awake and tell us your favorite part of the day in English. We'll read some in the comments next time. Let's talk about lunchtime.
Oh, my favorite subject.
What do you usually do?
Sometimes I go out with friends. We say, let's grab lunch. That means, let's eat together.
Yes. Grab lunch. Grab coffee. Both sound casual and friendly.
One time I ordered food, but I said, I want rice, and the waiter looked confused.
Why?
Because I was in Italy. They were like, rice?
So remember, in English, you can say, I'd like, for polite requests. I'd like a sandwich, please.
Perfect. Or, can I have a salad, please? Try it out loud, everyone.
Good job. And after lunch, maybe you say, I go back to work. Not, I return to work. That sounds too formal.
Yes. Go back is simple and natural.
Finally, the day ends.
Yes. Best part.
When I get home, I like to say, I chill for a bit. That means I relax.
Or, I watch a show. What are you watching these days?
I'm rewatching Friends. It's great for English learners.
Yes. So many natural phrases like, what's up? And I'm just kidding.
Exactly. And then maybe we can say, I cook dinner, I eat with my family, I clean up, and finally, I go to bed.
Or if you're like me, I scroll my phone for 2 hours before sleeping.
That's everyone, Max.
All right, time for a mini quiz. Ready?
And remember, most people get at least one wrong the first time.
Okay. Say the correct phrase. I go to office. I go to the office.
Good. Next one. I go by walk. I walk to work.
Excellent. And one more. I return to home. I go home.
Perfect. If you got them all right, write champion in the comments.
Yeah, and if you got one wrong, that's okay. It means you're learning.
Let's quickly review.
Ready? I usually wake up around 7. I finally get out of bed. I take a shower. I grab something quick for breakfast.
Then, I go to the office. I missed my bus. I start work at 9. I have lunch around 1.
And later, I go back to work. I finish work around 5. I chill for a bit. I go to bed.
Beautiful. You can now talk about your entire day like a native.
Before we go, think about this. At the start, maybe you could only say, I wake up, I eat, I sleep.
But now you can tell a story. You can make people see your day with natural English.
That's progress. That's confidence.
So keep practicing. Talk to a friend, record yourself, or comment your day in English below.
And stay till next time, because in our next episode, we'll show you how to talk about your weekend plans like a native.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep talking English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.